Hi, thanks for joining me today. I'm Scott, personal trainer with Gradual.Fitness. Today we're going to do another quick 5-minute workout aimed at getting your blood flowing, range of motion in your arms, legs, hips, everything in your body just going in a general positive direction. Now I do have a couple things before we start. Number one is it is kind of a training or a tutorial, so I will give cues on how to strain or move your body. If I stop, just keep doing the exercise you're doing, continue on with it, or modify to the modification that I'm suggesting. And then also, I like to do a short to long walk before I do these to make these effective. This is how I this is how I keep the weight loss and keep these short exercise effective, is I warm my body up first. And the other thing that's in tune with all these things, or in the vein of it, is once you watch a video, do it again. You're now familiar with it. It'll be easier to do the exercise and you'll get more out of the exercise. So we'll get right to it, but if you like the video, please give us a like or subscribe to the channel, follow, help us build it. So here we go, 5 1-minute exercises. Let's lean to one side, stretch the groin a little bit, put the arm up over, and let's just reach 5 times to the other side. On the 5th one here, we're gonna hold and just lean a little bit into that leg and pulse down into it one more time. All right, let's go the other side. Reach 5 times here. 4. Let's hold the 5. Lean down into it and pulse into it. All right, come back up, shake your legs out a little bit. The other thing we're gonna do now is just light squats, arms overhead, light squats, arms overhead, like this, right? And in 30 seconds here, we're gonna switch to arms over the other side, arms over the other side. Here we go, wide stance. Squat down into it. All right, in 15 here, we're gonna modify. Put our feet shoulder width apart. And here we go. And now you can just go arms overhead like this again, or you can go like this. Put your arm up with your leg. Step and bring your arm up with your leg. Here we go. 15 more seconds of this. From here, we're gonna do standing trunk rotations with leg raises. So here we go. Pardon me, missing a step there. All right, so practice just rotating your trunk like this, not too hard, and then let's just lift our legs and just rotate our trunk. Just a light rotation here. Deep breaths. Rotate, don't bend over. Keep your arms parallel to the ground, twisting. Don't over twist or over rotate. You'll just hurt your lower back or hips. If this is too much, just even spreading your legs and just lightly twisting like this, right? Get that range of motion, get the body loosened up, get it understanding those patterns. You can always progress. That's why I recommend doing people's videos over and over so that you can, do the full best version of your exercise. Here we go. In a few seconds, we're gonna switch it up. All right, so I'm gonna grab my weights here, but you don't need weights. We're gonna step to the side lunges. Keep the feet light and moving as they're moving, and plant down in them as they go down. Bend both knees, step out. You can throw in the little curls here. And then let's see what we got here. Another 30 seconds. Nice. So not straightforward, but out to the side. All right. A little easier on us, but still getting us a lot of range of motion and workout. But a little easier to keep your balance, stepping to the side like this usually. So if we want to, we can raise our arms, we get to the bottom as we go out rather, or just keep with the curls or the hold But I'd like to do this myself to really work on my body. Let's do a couple more. That was the beep. All right, let's set those down if you got them. And now instead of the rotation, we're gonna tuck over. We're gonna tuck over. So bring the leg up, tuck, tuck. Don't whip your neck. Turn through the rotation of the body, right there, not up here. So just keep the turn going. There we go. Way to go, guys. As you can see, you can get yourself warmed up pretty easily in 5 minutes without really overly straining yourself. Here we go. Let's widen our stance a little bit and just slow it down a little. Bring that leg up if you got it. If not, even if you're still rotating, keep that rotation going. So wider steps here. Hopefully this is getting your guys' blood moving. All right, thank you guys for joining me. Don't forget to like the video. Please subscribe. I've got more workouts coming, ab videos, weight loss tips and ideas. So thank you for your time today. See you guys soon.